Today in my kitchen I have made gluten-free baked cauliflower frittata or baked cauliflower slices. They are so easy to make and every morsel is jam-packed full of nutritional goodness. They're a real crowd pleaser. You can serve them hot or cold, for lunch, for dinner, for picnics, hiking snack. They are fantastic. But before I share, please click subscribe if you haven't already and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment if you like this. So let's go see how easy they are to make.
So the first thing I'm going to do is measure all my ingredients out. I'm going to start with chickpea flour, also called gram flour or besan flour or garbanzo bean flour. I'm going to put it in my blender and then I'm going to add sea salt, onion powder, ground coriander, black pepper and a little bit of fresh ginger. And then I'm going to add water and passata. If you don't have passata, which is basically sieved or strained tomatoes, you can just blend up some tinned tomatoes or just add about 100 milliliters of water in place of the passata. And then I'm going to blend it up until it's all nice and smooth. And then I want to chop up my cauliflower into little tiny pieces, pretty much as small as I can get, so that there's still little chunks in there. And then I'm going to mix in my batter that I've just created very, very thoroughly. So I'm going to mix this until everything is evenly coated. And if I'm going to add spinach, I'm going to add that in now as well. And then once I've done that, I want to get a parchment lined baking tin. And then I'm going to pour the batter into it. And I want to just take a little bit of care over this just to press everything down so that everything is evenly coated and there's not really any gaps in there. That's going to make sure everything holds together to perfection. Chickpea flour is an excellent binder, but you do need to make sure everything is pressed down as nicely as you can. And if you're going to use tomatoes, then just chop them up into thin little pieces and pop them on top. And then you want to put it into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let that bake for approximately 25 minutes. You can see when it's cooked because it'll all look very nice and tanned and the cauliflower will be cooked through to perfection. Then take it out, flip it over onto a board and then peel off the parchment paper, turn it back over again and then cut it into slices and enjoy.
So let's see how they taste. Oh yes, they are really good, delicious. I think you're gonna love them. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this. Okay, see you soon.